Students, this is the seventh part of our first lesson and astrologer's day. So, open your books, page number 4, second paragraph. Now listen carefully. The nuts vendor blew out. So what is the meaning of blew out? Look at here. Blew out, it means extinguish or put out a fire. Blow out is a flare. The meaning of flare we have learned in the last part. And rose, to go home. So what is the meaning of rose? Look at here. Rose, it means got up. Rose, to go home. So the nut vendor, he was using a flare, some kind of fire, to make his nuts hot or some kind of cracking. So there the time came to go home for him. So he extinguished the fire. He put out the fire and got up and started to go his home. This was a signal for the astrologer to bundle up. The meaning of bundle, look at here. Bundle up, it means number of things wrapped or tied up together. To bundle up to. So, when the vendor started to go his home, he blew out, extinguished the fire. That was a signal for this astrologer to end his work there. Why? Because this astrologer was performing his business under the light of that flare, that vendor's flare. Now, when the vendor blew out that flare, there was no light, there was only darkness. So that was signal for the astrologer to bundle up everything, and he also need to go his home. Since it left him in darkness except for a little shaft. Look at the meaning of shaft here. Shaft, it means a ray of light. Shaft of green light which strayed. Look the meaning of stray. Stray, it means move away from right place, except for a little shaft of green light which strayed in from somewhere and touched the ground before him. So when the nut vendor went up from there were no lights, but only a ray of a green light which were in front of that astrologer, and in that green light he was managing to bundle up everything. He picked up his cowrie shells. The meaning of cowrie shell we have learned in the last part. And paraphernalia. The meaning of paraphernalia is given here in this blue line. Look, a large number of small articles used in a particular activity or personal possessions, and was putting them back into his bag when the green shaft of light was blotted out. Look, the meaning of blotted out. Blotted out, it means became dim. So everything, whatever the astrologer had to run to perform his business, he was putting into his bag, and slowly that green shaft, that green ray of light was becoming so dim. He sensed. The meaning of sense, look here. Sense, it means felt. He sensed, he looked up and saw a man standing before him. He sensed a possible client and said, "You look so careworn." Look at the meaning of careworn. It means showing a sign of care, worry, etc. You look so careworn. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me. So when the astrologer was bundling everything, suddenly there came a man and stand in front of the astrologer. The astrologer saw up, looked up, and he saw there is a man. At first, the astrologer thought that he is maybe my client. So he said to him that, "Hey, you look some kind of care or worry," and told him to sit down and talk with me. Now this was the trick of that astrologer. What he did? First he talked with his client at least for 10 minutes, and within that conversation he got the information about that person, and after that this astrologer be ready to give the answer of a dozen of questions. So this astrologer said to that man, "Sit down and talk with me." The other grumbled. Look at the meaning of grumble. Grumble, it means speak or complain in bad tempered way. Grumble, some reply vaguely. Look at the meaning of vaguely. Vaguely it means not clearly. The other grumbled, some reply vaguely. So when the astrologer said to the man that sit down and chat with me, talk with me, the other man said in a low voice which was not clearly understood by this astrologer, but in some kind of bad manner, the other person talked with the astrologer. The astrologer pressed his invitation. Now look at the meaning of press here. Press, it means insist. Pressed his invitation whereupon. Look at the meaning of whereupon. Whereupon it means immediately after which the astrologer pressed his invitation whereupon the other thrust his palm. Look at the meaning of thrust. Thus it means push suddenly and violently. Thrust his palm under his nose, saying, "You call yourself an astrologer?" So when the vendor was insisting on his request to that person, sit down and chat with me, talk with me. That time that person may feel some kind of anger, and angrily he pushed forward his palm towards the astrologer under that astrologer's nose and said to that astrologer that you think you are an astrologer, you can predict, you can tell the future of the people, are you? The astrologer felt challenged and said, tilting. Look at the meaning of tilting. Tilt, it means move into sloping position. Tilting the other's palm toward the green shaft of light. So when the person said to the astrologer that you think you are an astrologer and pushed his palm forcefully in the direction of that astrologer. That time astrologer felt that he is giving some kind of challenge to me. So he took his hand, his palm, and tilt it. It means move it in a sloping position. Yours is a nature. Oh, stop that. The other said. Tell me something worthwhile. Look at the meaning of worthwhile. Worthwhile, it means worth the time, money, or effort spent. Worthwhile. So when the astrologer started to say something about the nature of that person, that time the person said to the astrologer, stop, I don't want to hear anything about my nature. Tell me something important thing. If I spend my time, my money with you, on you, so that should be worthful. Therefore, after that, our friend felt piqued. The meaning of piqued is given here: irritated, annoyed, or resented. It means very angry. I charge only 3 paise per questions, and what you get ought to be. Look at the meaning of ought to. Ought to. Used to indicate a desirable or expected state. Ought to be good enough for your mind. Then the astrologer said to the person that whatever will be your question, for every question you have to pay 3 paise, and for your every question, when I will give you answer, if that answer is not good, so you can get your money back. At this, the other withdrew. Look at the meaning of withdrew. Withdrew, it means took back. Withdrew his arm, took out an anna. Look at the meaning of anna. It means a form of monetary unit of India equals to 1/16 of rupee. Withdrew his arm, took out an anna, and flung it. Look at the meaning of flung. Flung, it is past and past participle of fling. So what is the meaning of fling? Look here. Fling, it means throw forcefully. Flung it out to him. So when the astrologer said that whatever will be your question, and when I will give you answer, that answer will be at the standard of your expectation. What will be you expecting from an answer? That answer will be related to that your expectation. So suddenly that stranger person took back his hand and put his hand into his pocket and take out an anna and threw it in the direction of that astrologer and said him, what he said, I have one question to ask. If I prove you are bluffing, look at the meaning of bluff. Bluff, it means deceive by pretense. So what is the meaning of deceive? Deceive, it means cheat. If I prove you are bluffing, you must return that anna to me with interest. So when that person, that stranger person threw an anna in the direction of that astrologer, that time that stranger person said that I have one question to ask you. And what was that question? That if I prove that you are baffling, you are cheating the peoples, then you have to return me that anna with some kind of interest. It means with that anna you have to give me some more money. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.